Oh, come on. Someone give us a good show. There's a lot of surfers out there. This would have been perfect to have Zuli with me. You know, gotta appreciate what you have. Look at all those surfers. This is the longest pier ever, but you can spend like the whole time watching surfers surf as you're on the pier, so that's not so bad. You can see it goes along for a hot minute, and then at the end, is this the one at the restaurant at the end? I don't think this is. I think it's another beach that's got the restaurant at the end. And we just rode it to the end. Some of these guys are so good. This was my background for a long time, from like 2013 to 2016. Don't know why. But now every time I see it, that's all I think. Like, oh, my old background, but in real life. Really wish, it's nice being in paradise, but on your anniversary, you know, I had it all perfect, let me tell you. I had it all perfect, and I was supposed to be home today and taking her out to eat, but instead I'm 3,000 miles away. Oh, yeah, in San Diego. Alright. I was really hoping to catch like a really sweet ride with these surfers, but if I'm being honest, I'm getting to the end of where they hang out, and I still got a long way more to walk. It's a beautiful day here in San Diego. Mostly always is. I wonder what they talk about out there, honestly. I wonder what they're saying to each other. Do they think they even talk? I mean, how do they communicate? What if they all try to take the wave? Who knows? I really need a haircut. I look crazy out here. I can tell that people give me a double take. Give me a double take because I look a little grizzly.